Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Today we are going to learn a very interesting tool. That tool is known as Blend tool. Blend tool is located here, but you have to remember one thing while using Blend tool. Blend tool requires two objects compulsory. Okay, suppose the one object is this one, and the second object is this one. Okay, now apply the Blend tool. You can drag either from bottom to up or up to bottom. Okay, like this blend tool is created. Whenever you apply the blend tool, then it will appear the some options on property bar. These are number of steps you can increase as well as decrease the number of steps. After that, here you have color shade, the shade between starting and end color. Okay, you can also here have distance, object position as well as object size. Okay, you can also here split the object. Suppose I use split and want to split from this object, and just drag this object with the help of pick tool. Like this, you can also drag this object for making any design or any logo. Okay, I use undo. Okay, after that, here you can also check the new start and end start. After that, this is very important option. Before going to learn this option, let us learn first this option is the angle. Okay, blend direction. You can also change the blend direction. The direction of only start object and end object remains same. Okay, you can also suppose you want a normal, then use here zero direction. Okay, you can blend any object with any other object. Suppose here I want to blend this star with this polygon, then also it is fine. Then blend. Okay, again you can increase or decrease the object, and if you see it carefully, then it look like star is from this object, or this object is from star object. Okay, here also you can change the colors. Okay, you can also accelerate the object like this or like this. Okay, then let us create something with the help of this blend object. Okay, now suppose I just draw a simple ball. Let us give some property. I use suppose radial shade. Zoom this object. Okay, use or click on blend. Okay, click on any color. Just remove the outline. Okay, after that, let us copy paste this, and now blend this. Let us blend this object. Okay, now I want to create a, or I want to set this object to a path. Suppose I used to create a necklace of this pearl, then simply I use here freehand. After that, let us set this shape properly. Now go to select the object. Your blend option should be selected because this option should be appear. Click on new path. Select the path. After using this, use blend along full path. Okay, now you are ready to increase or decrease object. Let us zoom it. Now again blend. Okay, after that break this object, and then this line is separated like this. You can make a moti mala or necklace of moti. You can also here use select this, right click, order, back of the page. You can also edit this line. Okay, you can set this blend object to any path. Suppose here again I use copy paste. Let us decrease the size of this object. I want same size object, therefore again copy paste, use blend. Now create a circle. Okay, after that again click on blend, select the blended object, click on new path, then there is blend along full path, and you can also increase the objects. After that, okay, let us break this object because we want to separate the path. Okay, after that click on the path, fill any color, and give order back of the page. Again copy paste this. With the help of shift key you can adjust the size, and again remove the line outline. Okay, like this you can create any object. You can also group this object because these all objects are separate. You can also group this object. Then let us copy paste this. You can also blend this object like this. Suppose here I use only 5 steps, then these are 5 objects. You can also set this object to any path. Okay, now again let us see the or let us use another type. Suppose here star is present. If you want to separate the star, then click on this arrange break. Remove the outline, decrease the size of this object. Let us copy paste it and blend this object. Okay, now you can also here choose a color shade. Now suppose I type here some letter. So I type here A. You can increase or decrease the size of this letter. Now again the same way, new path. Then there is blend along full path and increase the size. Okay, and you want to separate a then break. You can also give this a very faint color or black color, or you can also separate this A from this. Like this, you can also create your name with the help of blend tool. After that, again, uh, let us draw another object. Suppose here I draw from this basic object this shape. Okay, let us edit it, fill it, copy paste, blend it. If you want color, then give the color. After that, suppose here we have circle. Do the same thing. Go to blend, select the blend, go to new path. Then there is blend along full path. Okay, and you can here also use rotate all the object. Like this also, you can create a blend. Okay, now again, let us separate it. Give any color this. Select the path only and give any color to this object. Like this also, you can create a different type of object with the help of blend tool. Okay, you can also create your own, you can also apply your own creativity. It is more important. Apply your own creativity and create a different object with the help of blend tool. You can also use blend tool with text, type two text, and then you can also blend the two text, two letters also. Okay, that's all for this lecture. We will continue in next lecture. Thank you for watching the lecture.